Good morning. Okay, good morning, children.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Morning,
good
ma'am.
morning. How are you all?
I am fine, thank
Fine.
you.
Okay.
How are you,
Okay,
ma'am?
no need of introduction and all, isn't it? You people know me and I also know you people, isn't it? Again, I
Yes.
am your maths teacher. I'm Jomi Joseph. You know my name, right?
Yes.
Any
Ma'am.
new child is
How
there?
are you, ma'am?
Any new child is there? Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
Aiden George is the new child. Anybody else?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, nobody else. Okay. Only Eden is the person who doesn't know me, isn't it?
Yes.
So, my name is Jomi Joseph and I will be your maths teacher. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So, Eden, where are you from?
Ma'am, not clear.
Not
Yes.
clear.
No, ma'am.
Is my voice very low?
No.
No.
I'm getting stuck.
Stuck.
Okay. So, all of you mute by yourself. I'm not muting you all. You are in third standard. You people are big children, isn't it? No need of muting. You people can mute by yourself, isn't it? If you will make too much of noise, I will mute. All of you mute and sit. Okay. So in first standard, our first chapter was shapes. In second standard also, our first chapter was shapes. Now in third standard also, we have shapes as the first chapter. Do you remember shapes?
Yes.
All of you remember shapes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How many shapes you have learned? We have learned about some shapes, isn't it?
Yes.
Triangle, rectangle, those are shapes. Do you remember one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional, and all? We have learned last year, isn't it? Do you remember?
Yes. Yes.
Let me see. Give me an example of one dimensional figure.
Cube.
Huh?
Cube.
Square.
No, one dimensional. One dimensional means only length will be there.
Square.
Square.
Cube.
No.
Line.
Huh? Line. Very good.
Line.
Who said line?
Ananda Krishnan.
Ananda Krishnan. Yes, very good, Anandu. Line. Line is a one-dimensional figure. In one-dimensional figure, only one dimension will be there. Only one measurement, that is length. Either length or height. Any one dimension will be there. So line segment, line, ray. Do you remember all these things we have learned
Yes.
last year?
Yes.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
these are one-dimensional figures.
Yes.
So, what is the difference between line and line segment? Line can be extended in two directions, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It will have two arrows on both sides. And what about ray? How many arrows ray will have?
One.
One
One.
arrow. Good job.
One.
Ray will have one arrow. We cannot extend one point with one arrow. It will have a starting point, but it will not end. It will go on extending. And what about line segment?
Two in points.
Two end points.
Well,
Yes, it will have a starting point as well as it will have an end point. So one dimensional figures are line segment, line, and all. What about two dimensional figures? What are the examples of two dimensional figures?
Square.
Square. Good.
Square.
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 It has a length as well as breadth.
Square.
Square. Then
Rectangle.
rectangle. Okay. Square,
Rectangle.
rectangle, then
Triangle. Square. Square.
Triangle.
Triangle.
good.
Triangle.
Rectangle.
Square.
Then
Rectangle. Triangle.
Anything else? Only square and rectangle are two-dimensional figures. You have not learned about any other dimensional.
Triangle.
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 Good.
Triangle.
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 Triangle. Then circle, oval. All these are two-dimensional figures, isn't it? What about three-dimensional figures?
Cube.
Cube is good. Cube.
Cylinder. Cylinder.
Cylinder. Good.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Cube is made
Cylinder.
of squares. Then what is the figure that is made up of two rectangles? What is the name of the figure which is made up of two rectangles?
Cylinder.
Huh?
Cylinder.
No.
Cylinder.
Cuboid. Isn't it?
Cuboid.
Yes. With two rectangles we form cuboid. Then
Cuboid.
cylinder. Then huh? Sphere. Yes, sphere. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am just muting, or else you just mute by yourself. Mute. Okay. So one-dimensional figures are line segment ray. Somebody is sitting unmuted, so I have muted everybody now. So one-dimensional figures are line segment ray, which have only one measurement. Two-dimensional figures are square, rectangle, oval, circle, triangle. All these are two-dimensional. It will have two measurements, length and breadth, or length and height, or breadth and height. Any two measurement it will have. Then three-dimensional figures are which have three measurements, length, breadth, and height, like square, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, and all. Okay. Now, shall we write some notes? We'll just begin with a simple notes. Last year also we learned about one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and all. Just we will start with those. Okay. Do you have a book with you? Now you can write in your rough book. Then I will send the notes in the WhatsApp that you can copy down in your notebook. Okay. All of you take out a rough book now. Shall I share the board? I'm going to share the board. She cannot hear, I think. He is saying that it's not clear for him. Check your device, dear, because most of them are saying that they can hear. So maybe your device problem, just check it. Yes. So this is the whiteboard. It's looking little different, isn't it? Or else same? Is it looking same? Some differences are there. Okay. So we will start with the date. Today's date is, what is that? 11. 11 6 2021. We are starting with the new chapter, shapes. Chapter 1, shapes. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. You just write it down in your rough book. So first we will start with one-dimensional figure. I'm just writing the examples over here. One-dimensional figures. First one, line. Just draw a line with two arrows. Second one, ray with a starting point and with an ending, no ending point. Then next one is line segment. With a starting point and with the ending point. Okay. Might have written the date and all, isn't it? Now, next one, two-dimensional figures. This we have learned even then. This I want to just make you revise. Two-dimensional figures. Two-dimensional figures. First one, rectangle. I'm not drawing a rectangle here. You people knows. Okay, we will just draw a small rectangle. Second one, square. This is a square. Third one, triangle. Then fourth one is a circle. Now three dimension. Now third one is not third one. Next heading is three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures. Okay. First one, cuboid. Cuboid, I am drawing a small cuboid over here. Anyway, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. You can make it rough. You can write in your rough book. This is a cuboid. Second one is a cube. Cube is a figure which is made up of two squares. I hope you will be remembering, isn't it? We had learned last year. With two squares, we make cube. With two rectangles, we make cuboid. Now, third one is a cylinder. Cylinder like this. Then what we have learned? Yes. The fourth one, sphere. Sorry. Sphere. So I'm drawing a ball here. Yes. Okay. Okay, so these are the notes. Yes, Mitra. Mitra wants to say something. I think so. She has raised the hand from long. I saw her hand. Yes, Mitra, do you want to say anything?
Ma'am, I don't see the board.
Oh, you can't see the board? What about others? Others are writing, right? Others can see the board? 1 minute. Anybody else is there who cannot see the board? You people can see. Okay. Once again, I will just share. Mitra, just check. What about now? Can't see?
Yes.
Now you can see.
Ma'am,
First, I will. Yes. In the beginning, we wrote the date, we wrote the name of the chapter 1 shapes. Then we wrote a heading, one dimensional figures, line, array, line segment. Then it's two dimensional figures, rectangle, square, triangle, circle. Now three dimensional figures, cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere. Okay, wrote. Mitra, no problem. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp, dear. Okay, these notes will be sent in the WhatsApp today. You can copy down from there. No problem. It's just an introduction. Not introduction, it's like a previous knowledge. We have already learned last year. I just started with the previous knowledge. Okay, done? Okay, no problem, Mitra. If you have not written, it's okay. Anyway, I am going to send the notes in the WhatsApp today in the evening. You can copy down from there neatly in your notebook. Okay. For the headings and all, if you want, you can use color pencil for writing the heading for the name of the chapter and all. Other things you have to write with your pencil itself. Okay, dears. The notebook should be neat and clean. Every day the notes should be written. Whatever notes I will send in the WhatsApp, you have to copy down the same day. Okay, because you are in third standard, the notes will be more, the topics will be more. So the same day itself, you have to copy down all the notes. Otherwise, yes, Famis?
Ma'am,
Yes.
write the pen.
Huh?
Write the pen.
Pen.
Yes.
No, you have to write with pencil, third standard, no? Okay, if you have to write with your pen, I will inform you. If I will inform, then only you have to use pen. Okay. Okay, Famis. Now you write with your pencil. If you have not finished, no
Okay.
problem. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Now, we will move to a new topic, naming the sides and vertices of a 2D shape. Vertices. Do you remember vertex? Do you remember sides? How many sides a triangle has? Triangle. Triangle. Yes. Three. Three sides. A triangle will have three sides. What is a triangle? Do you remember that? Do you remember triangle? I will draw one triangle on the board. I will just show you what is a triangle. This is a triangle. Where is this? Is a triangle, isn't it? So, how many sides a triangle has? Three sides. Don't draw. Just keep your pencil on the top of your book. Fold your hands. Yes. Okay. Now listen here. Don't write anything. So this is a triangle. And the triangle has three sides. We have already learned, and then I'm just making you revise. Three sides and three corners. Now, last year we have learned it has three corners. There is another name for this corner, that is vertex. Another name for corner is vertex. This is one vertex, this is another vertex, and this is another one. Last year, you used to say it is corner, isn't it? So this year, in third standard, you have to say it is a corner, but another name is vertex. You have to use the word vertex. So how many sides it has? Three. How many vertex it has? Three. Yes. If it is one, you have to say vertex. If it is two, you have to say vertices. Plural, singular and plural, you have learned in English, isn't it? If it is one, you have to use vertex. If it is more than one, you have to use vertices. Okay, dears? So, how many vertices a triangle has? Three vertices. How many vertices a rectangle has? Four vertices. A rectangle has four vertices. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four vertices. One, two, three, four. Then square. A square has again four sides and four vertices. Circle. Circle has no sides and no vertex, isn't it? Now, what is the new word you have learned now? The new word you have learned is vertex. What is a vertex? What is the other name? Corner. We used to say as corner, isn't it? This year you have to use the word vertex instead of corner. If there is only one, don't use emojis and all farmers. Yes. If there is only one point, one corner, you have to say one vertex. If there are many corners, what is the word you have to use? What is the word you will use? Yes, Reeve?
Ma'am,
Yes.
use this cylinder and the things. Third dimensional. I didn't finish.
You did not finish. No problem. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. You can copy down from there. Okay. Okay, Reem. What is the other word for two vertex? If there are two vertex, what you will say? Plural.
Vortex.
Vertex is for one. What is the other word for more than two? Who can say? Yes, Afif. What is the plural for vertex?
Vertices.
Vertices. Good. Yes. So the new word we have learned today is vertex and vertices. If one corner is there, you will say vertex. If more than one are there, two or more, you will use the word vertices. Okay. Now, uh, 10 more minutes are there. I will show you one more thing. Yes. Don't write anything. I will send the notes. We will do it again afterwards. See, the next topic is don't write anything. Naming of sides and vertices. Vertices means don't write anything, just look at the board. Vertices is corners. The other name of vertices is corners. This is the word we used to use last year. This year you have to use the word vertice. Okay. So first one, I'm going to draw a rectangle here. I'm going to name it. Don't write anything, just look at the board. The notes will be sent to you. Okay. I'm going to name it A, B, C, D. And you have to, it is a rectangle. What is the name of the rectangle? We will say it as, we will call this rectangle as rectangle A, B, C, D. Because its name is given as A, B, C, D. So it is a rectangle A, B, C, D. Now I'm going to draw another rectangle itself and I'm going to give the name P, Q, R, S. Now, what is the name of this rectangle? Second one, Afreen.
PQRS.
Yes. If I'm asking you what is the name of this rectangle, yes, Afreen.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
note the
Huh?
Note the
I take?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
write the note message.
Yeah. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. Don't write anything now.
Message it.
Yeah, I will message it. I'll put it in the WhatsApp group or class group. Okay. Now you have to just listen to me. Okay, dears. So now I have drawn another rectangle. This one is a rectangle PQRS. Its name is given like that. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a triangle. Now you have to tell me what is the name of this figure. Yes, Joanne, what is the name of that figure?
Ma'am,
Yes.
L
Uh,
N L
uh,
M N.
yes, good. It is a triangle LMN. Good. Now, next I am going to draw another figure. W, X, Y, Z. Now, Austin, what is the name of that figure, dear?
Y Z I X
Ah,
Y.
is it?
Yes.
Once again.
Y
Ah,
W X Z Y.
okay, okay. Yes, okay, good, good, Austin. It is a square, isn't it? First, you have to write square, then you can start from here W, X, Y, Z. Square W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now we will start from here then. What is how many sides the square has? 4 sides. It has 4 sides, right? This square has 4 sides. All the squares have 4 sides, right? So the name of the 4 sides, don't write anything. Just before winding up, I want to take a new topic. That's all. So 4 sides. It has 4 sides. I will show you how to name that sides. Okay, don't write anything, don't touch anything, just fold your hands and look at the board. So first we will start from here. WX, the first side. So you have to write like this here, WX. It is a line segment, right? It has 2 points. It doesn't have any arrow. It has a starting point and an end point. So since it is a line segment, you have to draw a line segment on the top. WX. Then second one, this one is over, second one is this. Second, so it is starting from X, it is ending at Y. This is the second line segment. Don't write anything. We will learn this once again tomorrow and I will send the notes. This is the second one, XY. Since it is a line segment, you have to put a small line segment on the top of that name. Third one. First one is over, second one is over. Now third side is this one. It is starting with Y, it is ending with Z. So what is the name of the third line? Ujjwal. What is the name of this third line segment, third side?
Y Z.
YZ. Good. It is starting with Y and it is ending at Z. So it is YZ. Put a line segment on the top. Now fourth one is this one. Now he is going to tell me the name of the fourth side. Yadu. Yes. Yadu. What is the name of this fourth side line segment?
US.
Huh?
U W
Ah.
Z.
WZ. Yes. It is starting with W and it's ending with Z. So this is the fourth side. Good. So WZ is the fourth side. Yes. Okay. So what is the new word we have learned today? Who is going to tell me the new word that we have learned? Rohan. What is the new word we have learned?
Vertex, vertices.
Good. Vertex and vertices are the new word we have learned. Good, Rohan. Vertex means one corner. Last year we used to say it as corner. This year we have to use a new word, vertex. If there is only one corner, you will say vertex. If there are many corners, you will say it as You will call it as vertices. Okay, so I'm going to wind up the class. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. You have to copy down neatly in your maths notebook. Okay, dears. So, yes, Rida. Yes.
Ma'am, can you send the notes in the evening?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you send in evening?
Can you?
Send it in evening.
I will send the notes in the evening. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever notes I will send in the WhatsApp, that you have to copy down in your notebook neatly. Yeah, you can use the color pencils and all for writing the headings and all. And the notes should be written today itself. Okay,
Ma'am.
children. So I'm going to wind up the class. We will meet tomorrow. Bye bye. I'm going to unmute everybody.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
children.
you, ma'am.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you,